priority mail. Right down there. And they come with a lifetime warranty.
So you don't have to remove your axle to do these. We just have a different axle to put in that has a locker in it because lockers are
you
better.
have to look. It is OEM factory specifications that when you replace any major control arm components, you need to replace the entire axle. Like it's Mopar. Like it's in the manual. If you look it up in between gull and bull,
It's there.
yeah, you'll find it.
Having Jeep friends, there's always spare parts everywhere. Those were what, my first set of springs, right?
Yeah.
Now you're getting the springs that I just took out and put the IROCs in. So these are 4.5 Rubicon Express.
The nice thing about having a friend who really likes brand new things is that you typically get their old stuff, and it still isn't really all that broken in.
No, I mean, I only had those on for about 2.5 years, 3 years. I mean, they've seen some stuff.
The bits of places.
They've been some places.
They've been around.
They've definitely been around. I mean, they got your lower bolts, the axle bolts. I would probably do the lowers and then the uppers. If you have the axle in, it'd be a little bit easier just to line everything up. Top, take out the upper controllers.
No,
These paper thin.
I like those. Those are staying. We have fun here.
Do we?
He likes to think we don't.
All right, so you would have bolt here, the bolt there, same on this side, if the axle was there, and you would want to undo those, drop out the lower control arms, and then put these up. Obviously, like he stated before, you got a 4.5-inch lift. Due to his measurements, it actually pushes the axle a little bit forward, which is what I did on Hector anyway, so that's what he's copying it.
Hey now.
And same with the top. So you would put the bottom ones in, and then you would move to the top ones. Now he does have control arm drop brackets. That will change things for the guys that don't have that.
Or gals.
Or gals.
Be inclusive.
Now, Lori, which you guys have seen her in her JK, she actually has an XJ who showed me the Core 4x4 adjustable control arms. So, thanks, Lori. And now everyone else is running them. Thanks, Core 4x4.
I don't drag my $30,000 rig.
See how thick,
$20,000 truck.
you see how thin this is, how thick.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing. This
Nothing
is,
wrong. It's not even bent. Like, I mean, these are factory bends. What I mean is, like, I clobbered a boulder that sheared the control arm, and that thing is fine. He's full of shit.
I wasn't saying that it was bent. Showing the thickness difference.
Well, clearly it didn't matter.
So there's that. Yeah, a bit thicker than stock.
handy to set out.
What the?
Keep rotating.
We can probably get the lower one started. No, because we're still going to do the spring.
My bottom one.
I definitely got to rotate.
Oh, you definitely got to rotate too.
There you go there, guy.
I hate you sometimes.
Alright, let's get up and close and personal with all this.
After destroying the stock front axle that came in this Cherokee multiple times, I figured it was time to replace it. So, what we've done here is we've changed out our stock factory redundancy, our factory upper control arms, and a rough country fixed lower control arms that we previously had in here for some Core 4x4 adjustable uppers and lower control arms. This kind of stuff, well, not this kind of stuff, but we do crazy shit in the woods where we're literally repairing vehicles all the time, where we're on an obstacle and we replace a wheel bearing practically. Like,
Being that we had transmission jacks that help us with the axle, we had the axle out. I would actually put these more at like a 4 out of 10 because it was 10 being hardest. Because they weren't hard by any means, it was just measuring and putting them in. Now, if you try putting them in with, you know, with the axle already in, do it in stages. Do the bottoms, then do the tops. It'll help you. A come along will also help you rotate that axle. That's what I did in Hector.
make sure you guys head on over to core4x4.com. Their prices are reasonable and their products are amazing. In fact, they're so awesome, they gave us a discount code for you. So at your next purchase, in the checkout, go ahead and apply the code DAO5 for 5% off on your next purchase. Hey, and a big thank you to Spence and the rest of his team at Core 4x4. You guys are awesome.
Do you want to put those in the bump stops? Is that why you bought that?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Are those factory bump stops?
Yeah, but they're orange.
On your red Jeep? Did you do it just to make fun of me?
Yes.
I did.
How the fuck did you just...
Winning.
God damn it. How did you just... I called you.
3 hours later.
I'm almost there too. This is bullshit. It just doesn't want to slip that extra little bit.
You gotta twist and turn it. Like,
I've been. You come help me. Daddy, I can't reach my juice.
they're kinda in.
Yeah, haphazardly.
Yeah, that's like everything on Bam Bam.
You do it. Show us how it's done. You didn't put it in that way. Oh my fucking god, you put it in that? That's how they go in?
Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. You don't deserve to own a Jeep. Bye. Go away.
Bob stops it for the week. I didn't want them anyways.
Screw my fender flares.
That's bullshit. That was so much easier. Wow, it's like it's the way it was meant to fit.
You're an idiot.